Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to MFF Talks. Today I'm going to give you a quick picks if you ever buy a premium biometric a monthly bioselector or a XGen monthly bioselector. I will give you. So at first let's see this sneak peek, which is the Wanda Vision update. So Wanda will get a new uniform, Vision will get a new uniform, and Vision is going to be a tier 3. So Wanda Vision update is going to be great. Now let's hop into the game and I will give you a few recommended picks. If you're a new player, I will give you the few picks which, if you ever buy this subscription packs of the biometric or XGen, so you don't make a mistake and choose the right one. Wait, just let me go to the store and this both biometric daily selector which cost $10. Both of them cost $10 in Indian rupees. It's 800 to 1000 rupees. So first you get 300 crystals and you get 20 biometrics for the whole 1 month, in which you can choose any of this premium characters. I recommend Luna Snow from here. I recommend Carnage from here since he's great, and he also have a tier 3. And I recommend that Ghost Panther because of the great support he gives. Ghost Panther. Let me see. So the choices are Luna, Carnage, Ghost Panther if you want, but I suggest you to go for Luna and Carnage first, as they both are great. Yes. Also this one, Spider-Man 2099 with his new uniform is great. And you can also choose Crescent and also the Sentinel since he have a uniform. Yeah, you can go for Sentinel too. Just let me check. Wait a minute. Just wait. I think so. Let me check. I think he do have. Wait. Yeah, Senator. Yes, he have a uniform named Nimrod. Okay. So your first choice should be Luna. Second should be Carnage, as he have a tier 3 and he's OP with his new uniform. And rest Spider-Man 2099, Nimrod. And for the least you can choose Ghost Panther. That's it. Now coming to the XGen, you don't have many options here, so only tier 3 here is Neymar, so pick him first. Then you can go for Gambit and Weapon X. That's the rest I don't like that much and don't recommend getting them before this 3. So Neymar, Gambit for second, and third should be Weapon X. That's it. These 3 are great. So the cost of both the subscriptions are same, totally same, no changes over here. So make the right choice and put your money the right thing. I already have both main premium tier 3s, which is Luna, Snow and Neymar. I just don't have one. I don't like Crescent and not that great too. I don't have only one, which is Carnage tier 3, but I will get Carnage in here since I left the game a year ago. I got this returning check-in, so I will get Carnage tier 2 from here and I will eventually make it tier 3. So I will have all 3 premium tier 3s. I don't like Crescent, that's why I'm not including her, and she's not that great too. Let me show you. The Carnage is way too OP with this uniform. He becomes a total beast. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Keep watching MFF Talks. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting me. Drop your IGN. Thank you very much.